Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to download and install Telegram on your Mac in just a few simple steps. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech guides. Now, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, Safari, Chrome, or any other you like. Then go to telegram.org. Once you're on the Telegram website, hover over the Apps section and click on macOS. This will take you to the download page. Here, click on Get Telegram for macOS, and the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, open the file. It should be in your Downloads folder. Now, drag and drop the Telegram icon into the Applications folder. This will install Telegram on your Mac. Once finished, move the installer file to the trash. Now, let's open Telegram. Go to Launchpad or Finder, find Telegram, and click to open it. If you see a security warning, click Open to confirm. From here, you can log in with your phone number or scan the QR code using Telegram on your phone to sync your chats instantly, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Telegram on your Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.